5 high income skills that will probably replace traditional degrees by 2027. I even believe some of them are already replacing degrees. Okay, because most people that have those skills are those that are in demand now, and those that have traditional degrees are already going through what we call in French chômage. You need to take note of something. Okay, having a degree is a very nice thing. Okay, doing education, going to school is a very nice thing, but there is what you need to understand. We need to understand that what as time goes on, you need to update yourself. The world that existed before COVID, by before 2020, is no more the world that's existing today. And the world that existed before 2024 or before the coming of artificial intelligence is no more the same world today. Okay, so as time is going, there are skills, there are actually skills that are going to replace degrees. Okay, and mind you, most of those skills pay higher compared to most degrees that most people, okay, are going to have or have already. The first skill is AI prompt engineering and AI automation. Now that English is too big, let me put it very simple. AI prompt engineering and AI automation is simply someone that knows how to use AI to carry out task, as simple as that. You know how to use AI to carry out a particular task. That is it. You know how to use AI to write down a script. You know how to use AI to type. You know how to use AI to you know how to use AI. In every domain, every department, there is a possibility of knowing how to use AI perfectly to carry out whatever task. Companies actually now are looking for people that know how to use AI tools, because AI tools help save time. It helps get more profit, okay, and it helps carry out more tasks in a smaller amount of time. I'll give you an example. As you are a script writer, there are two of you. You are a script writer, perfect script writer. You can write scripts for Africa, and there's another script writer that knows how to write scripts, okay, that knows how to use AI, okay, to write script. Now you can write one script for maybe 1 week, and your script is perfect, like very very perfect. The him can write, okay, about 20 scripts in 5 hours. Okay, who do you think they're going to pick up? They're going to pick him up, okay, not you. Okay, now companies don't pay for your effort, they pay for results. Okay, they pay for how much results you can actually give them. You need to understand that. So take note of that. Okay, AI prompt engineering, okay, and AI automation. There is a skill for that. There are schools for that. There are small. Go and learn. There are online courses for that. Go and learn. Take this back home. Okay, AI won't replace you, but somebody who knows how to use AI will replace you. Take note of that. AI won't replace you, but somebody who knows how to use it perfectly is going to replace you. The second skill is digital marketing. The world is too big still. Okay, we are beyond of it. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simple. Digital marketing means that selling something using the internet. Let me repeat. Selling something using the internet. If I come now, I take this telecom, this remote, for example, okay, and I create an online store. I put it there, okay, and I start selling. That is digital marketing. What for those that African, what Jumia used to do, what Amazon, that's digital marketing, selling something online. What's the advantage? The advantage is just simple. Okay, due to the broad use of internet, okay, and the fact that what internet makes it possible for everybody to see something. Hence, okay, you can be selling this remote somewhere in New York, but the fact that you know how to use the internet to sell this particular remote, someone can be in Abu Dhabi and still wants the same remote. Are we getting? Okay, someone can be in maybe in London and still want the same remote. That's digital marketing. So learn how to use the internet to sell a particular product. It's very very important. That if companies are making mad money from digital marketing. Okay, companies pay digital marketers. I think digital marketers in most companies are one of the highest paid people, because it takes a lot. It's a whole skill. You might hear about skill like that and you just think that it is one thing that you wake up one day and start doing. It's a skill. You go to school, you learn. Okay, you pick up a skill on digital marketing. They're going to teach you on how to go about it. Okay, and you're going to know how to do exactly. You need to understand those things. Every business wants more customers. You get, yes, and the only way to get those customers is what, to use the digitality in the world and market whatever you want to market. The tech is sales and high ticket closing. Sales, high ticket closing is still big English. Sales just simply means that how much can you sell? That is all. You see that boy that sells in his patron shop, okay? That is saying he's a salesperson. Yes, he's a salesperson. Now there is a skill to make it better, okay, and more to make it more refined than somebody selling at his or her patron shop. Because like I told you, companies want to make profit, and he who can make more sales, he who can pay sweet customers to what, to buy more product, that is the person that they are going to employ. And it will surprise, it will shock you to know that it is a skill that people go and learn. I for one, I'm not a good sales person. I don't know how to, I don't know how to, I don't know how to persuade somebody. So I have my own domain. I have my own, my own domain that I excel at. Okay. So if you're a good salesperson, these people that know how to sweet talk people, that should be your domain. You know how to do sales. Go and learn a skill. Carry that your degree that you have have a master's degree in whatsoever in what I don't want to call anybody. Carry it and go and learn a skill. Go and learn skills. If you go and learn sales. You know how to talk, how to persuade people. Learn sales, and I tell you, okay, you might even be doing sales as a freelancer, okay, and I mean you make mad money. It's not easy, but it is actually possible. The fourth is content creation and personal branding. I cannot even stress more on this. This one I cannot stress more on this. Okay, let me make it simple. This is my own domain. Okay, content creation is one skill that we slept on it for a very long time, especially in Africa. Okay, content creation is a whole job. Like, it is a whole job. People in Europe, okay, they see content creation as a job. They don't even see it is a job. Content creators live off their content. That they live off content creation in Europe. It's a whole job. That's why you see in Europe the system there is more organized, because they even have taxes. Okay, they even have taxes, because it means that there is a way that the funds have been canalized. That means it's a whole job. In Africa here, I don't know what's happening there. Content creation is one of the highest paying skills, especially if you know how to go about it. YouTube, okay, we have what, YouTube, we have TikTok, we have Instagram for those that know how to go about Instagram. Okay, we have Facebook. Take note about that. Those are a platform that would permit you to go about content creation. If you have a problem with that, maybe you can inbox me, because this one I know how to go about it, and I can easily guide you on how to go about it. The last is software development and cyber security. Yes, this one too is very important, because the more days are going, okay, the more companies are popping up, and the more companies need apps, companies need website, they need a lot of things that concerns the internet. Hence, okay, these are skills that will never run out of demand. Okay, are you good in coding? You are going to be needed. You are going to be in demand. Are you good in this thing, web site building? You are going to always be in demand, always, because companies need site, people need site, private freelance people need sites to build, to sell their product, and so on and so forth. So these skills are skills that are highly going to replace degrees. Okay, I personally have a younger someone that I know, that he's a video editor. Okay, and if I tell you how much he charges for a 10 minutes video to edit, and mind you that he has clients, he's living over there and he has clients, he just sits in his house, buy his AI tools, and edits his video. He has clients. Just imagine that the video he has to maybe make maybe $20 or $30 or so, and he has 10 clients that have to do videos constantly. You see, he's going to be making mad amount of cash, right? Yeah, meanwhile you are there with your degree, your white shirt, and you're earning a miserable $100 per month. So take note about that. These skills are going to replace degrees. I didn't say degrees are not good. They are good, but make sure you attach skills to them. Okay, I repeat, make sure you attach skills to them. The first was what? AI prompting, okay, and AI automation. Second, digital marketing. Third, we have what? Sales, okay, very important. Food, content creation and personal branding. And we have software development. Do well to choose anyone. You must not do all, because you cannot even do all. Just choose one, focus on it, kill yourself on it, double down, triple down, quadruple down on it. work. It's not going to be easy, but I promise you, 1 year after that, 2 years after that, you're going to thank yourself, not me, you're going to thank yourself for taking that decision. We come to the end of our video for today. If you want to know some 7 lessons, money lessons that we were not taught in school, okay, on how money works, do well to check this video, okay, that will pop up at the top right hand corner. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.